How's it going, guys? We're back at it again. So today is March 25th, another green day of trading. Today I traded ticker CYTO. As you can see on the bottom of my screen, it's 9:51. I got in, I got out. It was quick. I was done by 9:35. I was in at the top of this move. I'm gonna break it down for you. Let's get started. So I come in today. I got back to the house a little late. I went to the gym early this morning. Didn't get back until about 9 o'clock. I got back a little early, but I had to take out the trash. But let me get back. Y'all probably don't care about that. So I got my computer up a little later than I wanted to. By the time I did, and then there was another stock. Let me see if I can pull this off. Here we go. Can I move this? Okay, cool. There was another stock. MLGO. It was the number one. So let's look at that one first. MLGO. It was the number one when I got on, so I charted this one first. As you can see, it fell off the face of the earth badly. It went from 794 all the way to 498. Fell off, but at 9 o'clock when I was here, it didn't look terrible. It was trending towards that direction, but it didn't look bad. So I charted this one first. Took me a couple minutes, so I didn't get the best feel I wanted on CYTO, but let's go over there. CYTO. Let's break this one down. So it spikes up at 8:50. This is like right around the time I'm taking out trash, walking in the door. Boom. Spikes up. I see it. I'm like, don't have enough information about it, so I don't want to buy it here. And I'm just like literally just pulling the computer up. So I'm like, no, not a good idea. I'm like, let me let it pull back so I can get some more information. It pulls back. I'm looking at MLGO while it's pulling back, charting that. So then once I realized this one had more volume, lower float, a more recent news catalyst, I think a stronger news catalyst, and it was moving currently, and it was like currently moving a ton of energy floating around in it. So I look at it around 9 o'clock-ish, right around here. Chart it, boom. I try to find the range. I set it right here. Then I pull it back, put the other line right here. So this is the range I'm generally looking at. I had a price target of 358. So I had a price target of 358. Always that's my price target, but always take profit a little bit, like a lot bit before that. Like if it's 358, I'll set it at like 345. Like I don't need the entire move because sometimes it just literally hits it and pulls right back. So I had profit taken around like 340 is where I wanted. So I first started taking it around 320, and then I took majority, and I took some more at 322, 330, and then 340. I was selling a few handful of shares left. But I found the range. Next, I set up some trend lines. Boom, it was 9 o'clock-ish. So like right around here. Boom. Hit that right there. Boom. Then I come through. I set up some more trend lines right here. I don't think this one happened yet, so it was probably like this. So these are trend lines I had set up. And then I like to find this, like it's a percent move I usually try to do. So if I look right here, I wanted to get in at 250 was like my perfect entry. 250, 251. I usually make this line yellow. It's like caution, but this is like where I want to get in at. And then I was willing to get in at, let me see, where's the highest I was willing to get in. I ended up getting filled at 287. That wasn't the feel I really wanted, but you know, it was all right. Okay, so actually, yeah, I was willing to get filled at 289. That was the highest I was willing to take it at. I got filled at 287, 289 right here. There we go. I usually make this line green. It's like, okay, this is acceptable, but it's not really what I want. So in between this green and yellow line is usually where I want to try to get my fill in. If it's close to the trend line, it's even better. So it happened to be 287 where I got filled, happened to be close to the trend line, so I was okay with it. I would have, if it went below 250, I would have sold for a loss. I bought half at 287. It went up. I wasn't really willing to sell. It pulled back. I had to get in around. I had to get it around here. I got in around here. 905. I got in at actually no, it had to be right here. I got in at 287. It pulled back. I bought a few more shares. I bought my other half. And then from there on up, it was up, up, up. I took profit because it started pulling up before the market opened. It started like right here at 925. I started taking profit. Like, yeah. Because it wasn't a ton of profit from 289 to what did I think it was going to? I thought it was going to 258. Not a ton of profit. It was kind of almost like a one-to-one trade, which I didn't love. If I had more time to think about it, I probably wouldn't have took the trade right there. It worked out. Overall, I'll give this trade a B just because I feel like the profit was just as it was even to the risk. Maybe not. It could have went crazy, but I feel like what I thought was gonna happen happened, but it could have been a one-to-one trade, which I don't love. I would have loved to got filled at 909, which is like right here. Yeah, right around 909. If I could got that 250 fill price, that would have been beautiful. Note to self, I gotta get in front of the computer earlier. I gotta be in front of the computer by like 8:45. I have to. And my computer had to update. Thinkorswim or whatever you call this platform now, it had to update, so that slowed me down even more. But the execution was solid. Didn't love the actual setup. It was cool. Didn't love it. Execution was good. I give it a B. I could have probably held a little bit longer. I can always hold a little bit longer. I do not have diamond hands, but overall, green trade. I think my account increased like 3 to 4%. I was really happy with this trade. I wish it was more profitable. I wish I'd have got filled at 9:09 a.m., which would have been like 250. I literally sold my last share at like 347, and then it pulled back, and I was all out. Looks like it's bouncing back pretty solid. I don't. I wouldn't buy it again. Not really interested, but moves do happen between this 10 and 11, so it might make a bigger move, but I'm not betting on it. But it could happen. Happy with the profit. Note to self, I need to be in front of the computer earlier. I'm not going to say I can hold longer. I can hold longer, but I'm happy. Take the profit. Follow the strategy. I followed the strategy. I took good profit. As soon as I was up to my first price target, I sold 25%, and then I was being greedy. I was like, I can hold some more. But then I sold the other half at my price target, the first price target, which got me to 50%. So if it pulled back, I would have either had a small loss or an even trade, neutral trade. Then it went up, so another 25. Then it went up, and I probably sold more that third time. I probably sold like 30-ish. And then I probably sold like 20 throughout the rest of it. But overall, I'm really happy with the trade. Great way to start the week. We got off green. I'll be adding some more funds to my account probably tomorrow. Yeah, I gotta take my car to the shop. After I take my car to the shop, I'll add some more funds to my account. So I should be taking larger trades starting maybe, I think it takes 2 days for the money to clear. So starting like Thursday or Friday, or I might just I'm gonna add the funds Wednesday, and I might just finish this week out trading with my normal size, and then start the week off with a little bit larger size next week. But we'll see. But let me know if you traded CYTO, if you did, how you did, if you think I could have done anything better. Let me know if your Thinkorswim had to update. I might need to start pulling this up on Sundays just to update it. But overall, good day. The sun's shining where I'm at. Hopefully it's shining where you are. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you have any comments, leave them. We're all in this together, trying to grow, trying to become better traders, trying to make money and become financially free. I'm out. Thanks for watching. If you like this, if you got any value out of it, tell a friend and tell a friend. Thanks. I'm out.